Think cruising is just about shuffleboard, soft serve, and shuffle dances on the pool deck? Not even close. Royal Caribbean has turned its ships into jaw-dropping, wave-surfing, Broadway-singing marvels of engineering and entertainment. These are not just cruises. They're floating cities, luxury resorts, adrenaline parks, gourmet paradises, and tech showcases all rolled into one. Whether you're a cruise rookie or a high seas veteran, prepare to be blown away by the 15 most unexpected, wildly cool, and straight-up unbelievable things you'll find on a Royal Caribbean ship. Let's set sail into the world of the unimaginable. Number 15. The Bionic Bar, where robots shake things up. You walk up to what looks like a sci-fi movie set. LED lights glowing, futuristic tablets lined up, and no bartenders in sight. Welcome to the Bionic Bar, where twin robotic arms serve drinks with absolute precision. These sleek hydraulic mixmasters can muddle, shake, stir, and pour more than 30 cocktails per hour. Want something custom? Just tap your ingredients into the screen and watch as the robot swivels, grabs the bottles from overhead racks, mixes your concoction, and slides it right down to your pickup station. Crowds often gather just to watch the choreography. It's like a mechanical ballet set to club music. And if you're worried about the taste, don't be. These machines are ruthlessly consistent. It's the only bar at sea where your Manhattan tastes identical every single time. Number 14. The North Star, a sky capsule. Above the sea, imagine floating in a crystal clear pod that slowly rises 300 feet above sea level, giving you a bird's eye view of the ocean, the ship, and even the port cities around you. That's the North Star, an engineering marvel that feels like a mix between a luxury Ferris wheel and a space capsule. Attached to a robotic arm, the pod extends out over the side of the ship and rotates for sweeping panoramic views. On sea days, it's a peaceful, sky-high escape. During port days, you'll get a view of historic coastlines, mountain backdrops, or lush islands. Places like Alaska's glaciers or Dubai's skyscrapers look even more majestic from up there. And if you're lucky enough to book a sunrise or sunset ride, it's pure magic. Number 13. Ice skating in the middle of the ocean. Let that sink in. You're in the middle of the Caribbean, wearing shorts and sandals, and suddenly, you're gliding across an ice rink. Royal Caribbean was the first cruise line to introduce ice skating at sea, and it's still just as mind-blowing. The rink is fully enclosed, temperature-controlled, and offers free skate sessions for guests. Never skated before? No worries. They've all got rental skates and staff to help beginners. But here's the real showstopper: the onboard ice skating performances. These aren't your local rink shows. We're talking professional skaters, some Olympic level, performing jaw-dropping spins, lifts, jumps, and choreographed stories, all synced to music and lights. It's like a front row seat to Disney on ice, but with cocktails in hand and ocean views in the background. Number 12. Flow Rider. The surf is always uptucked on the back of many Royal Caribbean ships. Is the Flow Rider an onboard surf simulator that pumps out 30,000 gallons of water every minute to create an endless wave? Whether you're boogie boarding, body surfing, or standing tall and shredding the surf, this ride delivers an exhilarating challenge. And yes, wiping out is half the fun. There's even an audience area with stadium-style seating, because watching your fellow cruisers try to stay upright is entertainment gold. And if you're a pro, you'll get a crowd cheering as you carve. The Wave. It's an adrenaline rush with sea breezes and panoramic ocean views as your backdrop. Number 11. Rock climbing walls. With a view, you might expect a rock wall at a resort. But 40 feet above the ocean? Now that's unexpected. Royal Caribbean's signature rock climbing walls are massive vertical playgrounds built into the ship's rear deck. Harness up, clip in, and climb toward the clouds with the ocean stretching out beneath you. There are multiple climbing routes for different skill levels, so whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned climber, there's a challenge waiting. And when you reach the top, you're greeted with one of the most epic views at sea. It's physical, scenic, and strangely meditative once you're up there catching your breath. Number 10. The Ultimate Abyss. The tallest slide at sea. This isn't just a slide, it's a beast. The Ultimate Abyss starts at Deck 16 and plummets. Riders down to Deck 6 through a twisting, turning tunnel of LED lights, sound effects, and pure adrenaline. At 150 feet tall, it's the longest dry slide at sea and drops you through 10 decks in a matter of seconds. The experience starts with a see-through glass platform that dares you to look down before you leap. Then you launch into darkness, twisting through rings of light and music until you're ejected at the bottom with your heart pounding. It's fast, fun, and surprisingly smooth. You'll want to do it again and again. Number 9. Broadway shows on the high seas. Think you have to visit New York for Broadway quality performances? Think again. Royal Caribbean offers full-length musicals like Mamma Mia, Grease, Cats, and Hairspray, performed by trained actors, singers, and dancers with stunning sets, lighting, and sound. These shows are staged in massive onboard theaters that rival professional venues on land. You'll see high-flying choreography, big dance numbers, and note-perfect vocals, all included in your cruise fare. The energy, the production value, the atmosphere. It's like stepping into Times Square, but you're actually floating somewhere, near the Bahamas. Number 8. Ripcord by iFly. Indoor skydiving at sea, Royal Caribbean makes skydiving possible without jumping out of a plane or even leaving the ship. Ripcord by IFLY is a vertical wind tunnel that simulates free-fall conditions, allowing guests to float and flip in midair while instructors guide them through the experience. After suiting up in flight gear, you enter the glass tunnel and are lifted by a controlled jet stream of air. It feels like you're flying and looks like something out of a superhero origin story. Whether you're doing graceful spins or just flailing in place, with style, it's one of the most thrilling things you can do without leaving the deck. Number 7. Virtual balconies. Real views for interior rooms, Royal Caribbean has transformed budget rooms into high-tech retreats by adding virtual balconies, floor-to-ceiling HD screens that stream live ocean or port views 24/7. These aren't static images. They're real-time footage from outside the ship, synced, with natural light and sound. At sunrise, your room glows softly. At night, you see moonlight on the waves. It gives you the illusion and emotional joy of a real balcony without the price tag. It's not just clever, it's oddly comforting. You might even forget you're in an inside cabin. Number 6. Aqua Theater shows. Daredevil dives and dancing fountains. Aqua Theater is Royal Caribbean's signature amphitheater at the stern of their Oasis-class ships. The pool here is the deepest at sea, perfect for high-diving stunts. Shows feature aerialists diving from 30 feet, synchronized swimmers performing intricate routines, trampoline artists flipping across platforms, and water jets dancing to music and lights. It's part Vegas, part Cirque du Soleil, part Olympic diving, and 100% unforgettable. Every seat has ocean views, and every show tells a unique story with choreography that plays off the movement of the ship itself. Trust us, you'll leave wondering how it's even possible on a boat. Number 5. Vegas-style casinos at sea. Love to test your luck? Royal Caribbean's onboard casinos are sprawling gaming floors with slot machines, poker tables, blackjack, roulette, craps. You name it. The design is upscale, the drinks flow freely, and the atmosphere buzzes with energy. You can even join tournaments or attend gaming classes for beginners. Want to feel like a high roller? Try the VIP section? Not much of a gambler. It's still worth walking through just to feel the electric vibe, and maybe catch a jackpot win next to you. Number 4. Cooking classes and chef's table. Experiences Royal. Caribbean lets you go behind the scenes of gourmet cuisine, take sushi making classes with real chefs, decorate cupcakes with pastry artists, or learn the secrets of wine pairing. These workshops are interactive, fun, and often end in delicious tastings, but the pinnacle? The chef's table. It's a multi-course fine dining experience in an intimate setting with the ship's top chef personally guiding you through each dish, paired with curated wines. It's more than a meal. It's a story told in flavors. Number 3. Seaplex, the biggest indoor play zone at sea. The Seaplex is a multi-purpose entertainment zone so huge it could be mistaken for a sports arena. During the day, it transforms from bumper cars to roller skating to table tennis to basketball. At night, it might host circus trapeze classes or Xbox competitions on giant screens. There are food trucks inside, a DJ booth hanging above, and glass walls overlooking the ocean. It's a constantly evolving space where kids, teens, and adults alike can let loose, compete, or just chill out. Number 2. Central Park, nature, live music, and fine dining. At CS, there's a park, a real one. On a ship, Central Park on Oasis class. Vessels is a lush, open-air space with winding paths, over 20,000 live plants, shaded benches, and soft music drifting from hidden speakers. It's lined with upscale restaurants like 150 Central Park and Vintage's Wine Bar. By day, it's a tranquil garden where you can sip coffee under a canopy of leaves. By night, it becomes a romantic hangout with string lights, jazz, and open-air dining. You forget you're on a ship until the ocean breeze reminds you. Number 1. Zip lines. Over the ship. Yes, there's a zip line right across the middle of the ship. Strap in and fly 9 decks above the boardwalk neighborhood as people below cheer and wave. It's a short ride but a thrilling, high-flying experience over one of the ship's liveliest areas. Great for adrenaline seekers and kids alike, it's one of those "I can't believe I just did that on a ship" moments. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more cruise secrets that'll make your next voyage unforgettable. Until next time, stay adventurous and stay surprised.